Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to set a availability status on Microsoft Teams. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to set a status on Microsoft Teams. It is because you want your availability status to be shown on your profile, so whenever somebody messages you, they will get to know if you are free or not, and if you are on the computer, if you're using the app or not. By doing this, they will get to know about you and they will not message you if you're not available. Or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure you have already installed Microsoft Teams app in your mobile phone from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it. And right now you're logged in from this account. So just simply tap on the icon of the Microsoft Teams to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Microsoft Teams look. Here we have three options at the bottom. The first one is home, the second one is chat, and the third one is for alerts. But what we have to do is we just have to simply click on our profile picture, which is on the top left side of the screen. So just simply click on it and there you will see a few options on your screen. So from all these options, the first option, as you can see, it is available. So this is our availability status. If you click on it, you will see all the availability status. So these status will be visible on your profile when you're using it, when you're available. So you will select the available, so the other people will get to know that you're available, so they could communicate with you. But if you're busy, you will set busy, so they will not communicate with you, they will think that you're busy. And if you're away from the app, you can select the away, so they will get to know that you're on the break. So there we have 4 to 5 different options. You can select any one of these according to what you are doing right now. So to select any one of these, you just have to simply tap on that option and that option will be selected. You can choose any one of these according to whatever you're doing. When you start your work, you can set as available. When you're on the break, just set away or be right back. Or you can just simply reset it to what you were doing the last time. And you can also set as offline in your free hours. Like if you work 9 to 5, you can set 9 to 5 available, but after 9 to 5 you can set offline, so they will get to know that you have just got your off and now you're not doing work. By doing that, people will not keep messaging you, they will get to know that you're not online, you are away from your work, so they will not message you. But when you're online, they will get to know that you're online, so they will message you. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can set your availability status on Microsoft Teams. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.